Hi, it's Shane at Boundary Car Care. Today we've fitted a KENWOOD 8021 to this 2007 Porsche Boxster. On this radio we've got DAB, full range of channels there. We've also got the option for FM, wireless mirroring, USB, Bluetooth and HDMI. We've added a reverse camera onto this one. And then it's also got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll just show you this. All the apps off the phone, use them like Spotify or Apple or Google Maps. We've added a KENWOOD dash camera to this one. On the screen it allows you to control the dash cam. You can go through all the videos, all the files and recordings. You can go into the settings. I'll just show you through some of the settings. You can choose the amount of time it records. You can choose lane departure warnings if you want, and then you can set all date and time, format memory card or update it.